Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. There are so many pasta dishes out there, and of course I have a long list as well. Now during summer, there's that popular classic pasta salad everyone likes. Although next year I'll be posting my Greek tuna pasta salad. Yeah, so stay tuned. Anyway, here's another delicious pasta recipe perfect for the season. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Mediterranean chicken pesto pasta. This is incredibly tasty. Using one of my pesto recipes that I posted last year, and by the way, the second part is coming up in September, this dish is so fresh and a flavorful way to enjoy vegetables, chicken, and pasta together. So my friends, let's get cooking. Here's the chicken breasts cut into bite-sized pieces, and we'll season generously with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Next, in a large skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add olive oil as well as clarified butter. When it's hot and starts sizzling, we'll add our well-seasoned chicken pieces and cook them until no longer pink. We'll transfer them to a bowl using a slotted spoon and set aside. Now, we'll reduce the heat to medium, add the onions, and quickly saute for 1 minute. To this, we'll add red and yellow peppers and cook them for 1 minute as well before adding pressed garlic. Like always, we'll saute it for only 1 minute. If you cook the garlic too long, it gets bitter. Next, we'll pour in some low-sodium chicken broth and a little bit of dry white wine. If you don't want to add it, go with all broth. We'll stir to combine the ingredients and bring the mixture to a simmer. When it gets there, we'll add my Italian pesto, which you can get the recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. We'll stir it into the mixture until very well combined and cook it down a little bit for 1.5 minutes. We'll now add my homemade Italian seasoning and yes, click on your screen to get this amazing blend. Then red pepper flakes, just a little. We'll stir again and cook for 1 minute. Next, we'll add blanched asparagus. I didn't show you how because 10 days ago I posted an episode on it, so check it out by clicking on the link. We'll return the chicken, including any accumulated juices, mix it well, and cook for 1 minute. That looks so delicious, but we're not done yet. Now, we'll add cherry tomatoes, I'm using the mixed ones, followed by a small can of sliced black olives, then freshly squeezed lemon juice and some lemon zest. The last two ingredients will add brightness to the dish. Of course, we'll combine the ingredients into the mixture before adding our cooked penne rigati. But you can always use penne lisce instead. When the ingredients are well blended, we'll add half of the cheese, stir again, and then add the remaining cheese. I'm using Grana Padano, but Parmigiano Reggiano cheese can be a nice substitute. When the cheese is well incorporated, we'll serve immediately. And my friends, this is our Mediterranean chicken pesto pasta. With layers of flavor, this colorful dish is perfect for summer. Using fresh ingredients, pesto, and seasonings, This is a quick and delicious meal to serve for either lunch or dinner. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!